controller on this frequency, Redskin 4.
Redskin 4, King, out of here.
King, this is Redskin 4, checking in S-fract.
Redskin, King, be advised, cab cover is not up yet.
Roger. Copy. Flight, fence in.
Right, push channel 3.
Hammer was the A10 flight, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, everyone's seen it. You can pop up, Amir.
So
Just increase collective.
Radar, searching.
No, keep going. Just increase increase collective. That's it. Make sure that in show you select friendly units and enemy units on nav and enemy units on attack.
okay. I think we're high enough for that for now. No?
Yeah, we're high. You just continue this.
Radar,
Just keep
searching.
flying straight.
Radar, searching.
Start to getting a search radar on my 1 o'clock.
Yeah, that could be like the SAM sites over there. Oh, there was a search radar around. But it's very far away, just continue like 70. Speed 70.
Yeah.
Okay, I see a lot of smoke at the front line. The area is very hard because it's there's a lot of hills everywhere. So we might need to move around left and right a bit. Just stay in formation. We're currently still behind the sentries. It was King, right? The controller?
Yeah.
I'm backseat, so I cannot target acquire. I rely on you.
Yeah, we'll go.
Radar, searching.
King, Redskin 4. King, Redskin 4.
Radar, searching.
Redskin, King, go ahead.
Redskin 4 currently inside the AOR.
King, Redskin, be advised, we are still in a tail drag situation.
Kill drag?
Radar, searching.
Tail drag? What is tail drag?
No idea. No idea.
Roger King.
Radar searching.
Okay, I see a lot of trees everywhere, so we are not able to see inside villages.
Push to a BP 59er.
5-9. No.
We're currently pushing to BP 59. So this is BP 58. Okay, Charlie 1 appears to be clear from what I can see. Charlie 2 is also a very small village and I don't see any hotspots there.
Radar searching.
As a 11. Just whenever something happens, just go and descend very quickly.
Yeah.
We are still behind friendly lines.
Check my line of sight for a second.
Shit. Slaving. De-slaving. Roger?
What is this?
Yeah?
Something interesting?
Truck, yeah. Oh no, that's a what is that?
It's part of the... No, but...
No, this is a Russian truck.
Let's kill it! Question later, I don't know.
Yeah.
Radar searching.
Linas, can you let George search around Charlie 3?
Okay.
Okay, I'm going back to battle position.
Yeah, go to... Oh, you can stay in this battle position. It's fine.
Up.
And just continue. We know where it is. I got a target point. I don't know if George is gonna see anything because he can also PID, right?
Okay.
Radar searching.
My line of sight?
Slaving. He's slaving. A lot of trees.
Okay.
Radar searching.
I see like something, but that's because the trees are not rendered.
Searching.
Yeah.
Does George see anything on our left side here?
Negative.
Searching. Radar searching. Radar.
Roger, hook right.
Radar searching.
Slide, hook
My line
right.
of sight.
Radar searching.
Nothing.
Above, just up on the road, left.
Tell it. Convoy. Oh, convoy.
Fly, turn left.
Roger, I'm gonna engage these.
Very. We found the convoy.
Yeah, Roger, 1 is engaging convoy. The Redskin rifle. Okay, after this shot, 1 is off cold. 2 push in hot. 2, this is 1.
In hot.
Okay, this will be our engagement, so from this better position to that target there.
So going south for now?
Yeah, turn left away from the target.
Okay, 180.
Radar searching.
I speed up if you do
Radar
this.
searching. Radar searching.
37.1.
2 right.
Hammer 4, this is Redskin 4.
Go for Hammer 4.
Hammer, be advised, Redskin is listening in on this frequency. We are currently engaging a convoy pushing towards Charlie 3, no AAA or SAM observed in the area.
And Hammer 5.
King Stingray 1, flight of 2 Tomcats checking in.
Stingray, King, left clear radar contact, Alpha check, Brook 30728.
Redskin, Hammer. Wait, 1.
Radar searching.
Truck check.
Radar searching.
2 off cold.
Stingray, King, Alpha check, Rook 31628.
Missile radar searching. Forward left.
Forward left, brake right.
Sour Alpha check, request bullseye.
Missile in the air, missile in the air. 1 is braking, 1 is braking.
Radar.
Defending.
Rotor RPM 5.
You're at 1, great copy.
Northing 5003.
Stay low.
Decimal 2
Radar searching. Radar
Echo
searching.
008.
Roger 2,
Decimal
confirm you're still alive. With that.
Yaza, you still alive?
No, I'm dead. What should I do?
242 at 5 points.
Restart, I guess. Roger, Redskin 4 is currently being engaged by something, we don't know what.
Saber, King, land clear, radar contact, good Alpha check.
King Stingray 1, Alpha check 29036.
Roger, give me constraints.
Stingray 1, King, good Alpha check. Switch, focus.
Align. Align.
Radar searching.
Redskin 4 rifle.
Checking
Radar
in.
searching.
067.
Turn left.
And 23. 3000.
Radar searching.
Hammer, King, Alpha check, sweep. Continue.
Radar searching.
Hammer 5.
Radar searching.
Sure, watch out. 15 seconds.
Radar searching.
Can go a little bit lower if you want.
Stroke 4 check.
Check, give me
This one, go
constraints.
ahead and start force. Do a right slow turn. I think I'm just gonna
Stroke 4 checking in that front.
2. 3.
Give me constraints.
Radar
Okay,
searching.
right?
Radar searching.
Give me yeah, right. Yeah.
Redskin 2, com check.
Radar searching. Radar searching. Radar searching.
Redskin 4 right.
King, Triton, Alpha check 333.
Radar searching.
4 seconds.
Radar searching.
I see one more. Give me constraints.
Turning left. And line.
Radar
Roger.
searching.
Redskin 4-2 leaves though.
Trident, King.
Redskin 4-2.
4 rifle.
Trident, switch focus.
Turn left.
Radar
Trident switching
searching.
focus.
Hard
Radar
left.
searching.
Okay, after this we go off course.
4142.
Radar searching.
Continue.
Radar searching.
You know what killed me?
Searching.
King, throw
Radar
forward, confirm,
searching.
Some kind of essay, maybe 11, maybe 2.
Art, yeah, off cold.
Okay.
Searching. Missile outbreak.
Shark 4.
Radar searching.
King. Loud clear radar contact. Alpha check broke 265-23.
Roger, turn right.
Negative, I have Alpha check 2445.
What the hell was that?
I don't really see. Keep turning, hard turn right.
UV, Frankfurt.
Hard right.
If
Let
you
me see.
need a-
Radar searching.
Some kind of,
yeah, the rollout.
Now fix it.
I don't see anything, but I know where it
UV
was.
TACAN 89 X-ray.
Radar searching.
No, I don't see anything. Just go back to the battle position, take some distance behind it, and we'll do this again. I know where we were fired at, so don't get further
Reciprocal.
north as the routing between 08 and 07.
Stroke 4.
Radar searching.
Yes, I
So
mean
then the routing? What?
the route in between 7 and 8. Pull out,
Miller.
and we can stay lower. Turn left. Turn left.
Left.
Radar searching.
4142.
Roll out. Here
Yeah.
comes it.
7 minutes with you on battle point 59.
Okay, 7.
Radar
Check 5.
searching.
ANVIL punch.
1 in hot.
Make constraints.
King, Anvil 5. Warship, Phantom, clear.
Redscan 4 rifle.
5, 2.
Convoy's moving again.
Radar searching. Radar searching.
Mafia King.
Off right. Turn right. So directly after the engagement, you can turn right.
4142, can I have coordinates for the convoy?
You will see the smoke.
Okay, go ahead.
Convoy is currently moving towards Charlie 3. On the northeastern side of Charlie 3.
Radar searching.
So if you go to our battle position on the north of
King Mafia, did you
the
get that before
Radar
us?
searching.
Mafia, switch focus.
Over to focus, Mafia.
you see the target?
Radar searching.
Yeah, a lot. Oh, yeah, I see something.
Radar searching.
Turn in hot.
Yeah, Wilco. Turn. Give me constraints.
Miller.
Triple A.
Radar searching. Radar searching.
And line.
Miller.
4 rifle discount.
Alpha check.
Turn left.
360-44.
Left.
Radar searching.
Stand by.
Radar searching.
Miller 3.
Radar searching.
46.
Radar searching.
Miller, good alpha check. Recommend continue.
Miller 3 continuing.
Radar searching. Radar searching.
Nice voice, Mon.
Red, King.
Radar searching.
They call us? Said red.
I don't hear it, sorry.
Radar searching.
Oh, turn right. Turn right.
Right.
I had a triple A.
Radar searching. Radar searching.
Eye contact with the convoy.
Radar searching.
What's your call, Inhold?
Radar searching. Radar.
One in hot.
Rifle discus.
Right.
Turn right. Towards the battle position.
Right.
We're getting very close now. 6 clicks.
Oh.
Watch out. Yeah, good one. 6 seconds.
Radar searching.
Okay, be advised, we have we have just engaged 2 times this gun, both destroyed.
Radar searching.
Convoy is currently inside Charlie 3.
Call.
1 off call.
Maybe a little bit lower, so 1000 max.
5, King.
King Red 5, flight 4 begin a 6 minutes right.
Copy.
Radar.
Red 5, King. And
Don't climb higher than 1000 AGL.
Roger.
Of course, that's right. Red 5.
Confirm in op.
Red 5, King. Recommend continue.
In hot.
Radar searching.
Rifle.
Check.
Tally on a tank.
Radar searching. Radar searching.
I'm off.
Radar searching.
Give me constraints.
Radar searching.
Sorry, check.
Radar searching.
Sorry.
In hot.
Radar
King
searching.
Sword 5, check me as
Radar searching.
Redskip for rifle.
Last clear
tank.
under contact. Alpha check Rook 29128.
Off call. To the right. Turn right, sorry. And get visual with the
I
friend.
am
With number 2.
Sword 5 getting an alpha check of 246, 530.
Yeah, don't.
Radar searching.
Rook is TACAN 89 X-ray. Frankfurt.
Sword 5, something.
Check, give me constraints.
Something went wrong, yes.
Turn left.
Don't know if he is destroyed. But he is smoking.
Radar searching. Radar searching.
4 rifle tank.
Sword
left.
King,
Left.
CU Rook 30529, 24,000 tracks northeast.
Maybe he's not even destroyed. Maybe he has to
Start
take.
five.
Maybe he was on the left or the right of it. 6 seconds. Those 3. So no. 3 seconds. 2.
Got it.
Are they destroyed?
Radar searching.
Got the
No.
PKK.
They're not.
Searching.
I don't know if they're destroyed. There was a hit, but they are smoking. I just call off cold.
Radar searching.
Roger, 1 is off cold. We just attacked 2 times tank, but they are smoking, but I don't know if they are destroyed. On the left side of the group.
Radar searching. Radar searching.
1 off cold.
Searching.
2 in hot.
see anything?
Yes, I am rifle on SA9 now.
King and the what?
Check.
Alpha check to me. Sword 5, King, Red King.
One in hot.
4-1, did you see the smoke?
Searching.
Negative.
King, Saber Tree.
Okay, it's smoking right now, I'm off focus.
Radar tracking.
Radar tracking. Down.
13.
Down.
Missile radar searching.
SA13 missile defending.
Radar searching. Missile.
One is hit.
Really?
Radar searching.
Yeah. We're good. I have yeah, we should be good.
We're pushing to a better position 5-8.
Are you still flying?
Yeah, I think we're good. Yeah, we're good. 2, did you see any enemies still in that area? Because I think we got everything. The only thing I'm not seeing anymore are the trucks.
Okay. Okay, I'm in on.
Roger, 1 is currently pushing a little bit more south. Sorry, west. We're pushing west.
Radar searching.
You don't want to hunt down the 14?
Redscan, Hammer Flight, we are 3 minutes from Gearbox Charlie.
Roger, advise when ready to copy C-trap.
Ready to copy.
We are Redskin 4-1 and 4-2 are currently engaging a convoy. We just took out the 2 SA9s and approximately 3 times this gun. We see a lot of armor, but we have dealt with them a lot. I think we have destroyed about 90% of them. They're all clustered around Charlie 3. When able, put your sensors on the northern side of the AOR.
And good work, Redscan. Be advised, we do not have sensors. The best we can do is have Mavericks. We will start prioritizing the northern side of AO.
Radar searching.
Roger.
Radar searching.
Happy hunting.
Searching.
Turn right.
Searching.
Right.
King, Red 5.
Radar searching.
Please call your rifle calls on this frequency.
King, Red 5, confirm strike on the
Strike 5.
strike.
Hammer copy.
To C-trap.
I have only a truck inside.
Roger, prioritize armor.
I don't see any armor. I will
Roger, don't be afraid to call calls.
5, disregard last transmission.
Radar searching. Radar.
So, in hot?
Radar searching.
No, just loiter around a bit.
2, you can proceed off cold and when able, feed it behind 1. We are getting back to our patrol.
Radar searching.
Okay, I'm just targeting a truck. Okay.
Yeah, Roger, take him out.
Searching.
Just to stay at 1000, please.
And wait, it's going to climb. And pickups.
Oh, okay.
Radar searching.
Oh, tally convoy.
One is a tele convoy on this side of Charlie 3. Multiple BMPs.
Radar searching.
Oh, disregard. Multiple tanks inbound. One is in hold. So disengage, disengage.
Killbox Charlie.
Radar
What?
searching.
Hammer King acknowledged.
One rifle tank.
Radar searching.
All stations, for your
Radar,
information, a convoy is currently pushing south of Charlie 3.
Turn left.
Off code.
And after this, off cold.
Check. One is off call. Pushing towards BP 58. We're gonna do a race track from BP 58 towards Charlie 3.
Now 4-2 going
Roger 4-2, confirm you're around BP 58.
and north of BB58.
Start 4, Mark 6.
Roger.
North. Ooh, 810 on high. Mud SA11 north of the target area.
I'm off code to
In hold.
In hold 1.
SA9.
Oh,
Giving constraints.
Let's get 4 rifle SA9.
Radar searching.
Zoning left.
And then to the left or right, whatever you want.
Radar searching. Radar searching.
Hammer 4 King.
Go for Hammer 4.
Check SA9.
Hammer 4 threat crew. Road
Zoning call.
064.
No, hold.
24,000.
Keep hold. You're 6 clicks. That's
In
good.
hold.
Track west. Hostile outlaw targeted by Mafia 4.
Giving constraints.
4-1, you're hot or cold?
Rifle tank.
Friendly Mafia 1.
Hammer 4. Let's get 4 rifle BTR.
Within 20 miles.
Turn right.
They're currently 26.
Let's get 4-1 Winchester.
Radar searching.
Okay, stand by.
King and Red 5 request frequency change to Raptor.
Radar searching.
Red 5. There's
Searching.
4-1, can I go in hot?
King Miller.
Negative.
5011.
One is off call. Winchester.
Is that both of them or just the one?
Radar searching. Radar
Right,
searching.
big image. Dagger 5, flow west.
Radar.
Second flight flying west now.
Radar searching.
Off call back to the BP.
Radar
Yeah,
searching.
yeah.
For 3-3 for King, SA6 south is Lund.
Radar searching. Radar searching.
2, what's your farm state?
Miller 3 King, are you calling blunt?
8 kilos.
Radar searching.
Roger, 1 is RTB.